Hello, my dear friends. Would you like to stop the clutter? Then you have to do clutter stops 3 times a day because clutter will return if you don't pay attention to it. So 3 times a day, walk through your house, look at the places that you've recently decluttered, look at the places where your family normally leaves things, where you normally leave things, and make sure that those things are put back in their place. If you want to stop clutter in its tracks, clutter stop. Okay, so why does clutter return? Clutter returns because we have bad habits. These habits serve us poorly. Good habits would be to pick it up and put it away whenever we think of it. Now, we are going to be sidetracked. We are going to lay our phone down and can't find it. Guilty. But you're going to notice that you might do that with more than just your phone. So make sure that you're paying attention and picking it up and putting it away throughout the day besides the clutter stops. Make it a great day.